Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and as you can see, it's for Far Cry 6, an Ubisoft original on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, picked this up today from where I work for £42.50. So that was with staff discount. So yep, pretty happy to pay that for it. So yep, as you can see on the front, you've got Anton Castillo, played by Giancarlo. What's good, Giancarlo? I want to say Esposito or something like that. Yeah, been in quite a few movies. So yeah, and his son, which is Diego Castillo. So yeah, that's cool. Obviously, Anton Castillo's son, Diego Castillo. But yeah, so from what I can imagine, what I can work out, you play as Danny Rojas, who's trying to do something and topple a dictator, which is Anton Castillo. So when tyranny is law, revolution is order. So yeah, become a guerrilla fighter and burn their regime to the ground. Also, got a really cute dog called Chorizo, and yeah, he's a good boy. So it's optimized for Series X, smart delivery, 4K, HDR10. Why is that really blurry? There we go. Inside, we have the disc and something about Far Cry Heroes and the books and thing about, I'm assuming this is about the season pass, which it is. Yeah, cool. Which, don't know if I'll get. May get it, may not. We'll see. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing for Far Cry 6 on the Xbox Series X, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. For now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.